Welcome back to the channel, and here I am. I'm starting to disassemble the 2.5 EJ2.5 engine I bought for the Subaru Forester. As we know, the one that's in the Forester, timing belt skipped, and well, let's just say piston and valves made contact, which I can't wait to get it. I haven't gotten it out of the car yet, but I know that's exactly what happened. Yikes. And I'm just going to tear this one down a bit. See, I don't want to use these heads because the heads in my... I want to rebuild the heads that are in the Forester. These heads are probably fine, but the ones in the Forester have the AVLS. It's kind of like valve timing and stuff. So those are the ones I want to use. So, and in my words, I'm going to really get them looked at, get them built. So, you know, so maybe I'm going to change all the valves, get everything done, and then transfer them to this block. Well, at least that's my hopes. I'm just hoping this block is going to be good. In fact, what I could have did with the other block is probably I've got new pistons. And then, even I could have, what you call it? I could have put new pistons in it. Who knows? Maybe I'll put new pistons in the donor block. I want to make sure everything's good before I throw it back together. So I'm guessing a mild rebuild on the block. I'm guessing. But, the farther I get into this, the farther I know I'm going to have to do more. So I'm going to take off the pulley here. Hopefully my big impact here can take care of that. It's got about, I don't know, 20,000 or 2,000, 20,000, something. It's 2,000 pounds of power here. Bought it Power Fist. This thing is a beast. Oh man, that whipped her out nice. So, haha, I've got that. Okay, this should just pull out like all the rest. Of course, it's not. Okay, what am I gonna... It should have pulled out. Let me get a pry bar. Well, I think it's coming. I'm not sure if it's coming, but I think it's coming. Come on. Stop that. Didn't break anything. Woohoo! Got her. Okay, got the pulley. Oof. That's a pain in the butt. Yeah, this one's out of a manual car because it has the... I'll show you. I'll show you when I get the cover off. You know what? I was gonna check to see if there's any oil in this. So, okay. Gotta get the oil out. And by the way, that bolt that held the dampener on is a 22 mil. And I'll tell you right now, the drain plug for this one is 22 mil also. Oh, she's a little tight for some reason. There we go. Yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. Wasn't too bad. Let's see here. Should pour out pretty quick because does still have oil in it. Huh. He didn't drain her. Yeah. Well, I thought it would have been drained, but it's not. Oh well. I don't know how many kilometers he had on it with this oil. I have no idea. You know what? I can contact him and ask him. I do have his contact information, which is nice. Yeah. Just gonna let that drain for a while. Yeah. He did say though he was using Mobile 1's full synthetic, and as you can see, he's using a Mobile 1 oil filter. And that was nice too. That wasn't very tight. That was perfect. Ah. I'll just let that drink. Maybe I shouldn't have taken the oil filter out because it's just going to leak all over the place. Yeah, I'll take it out. I'll make sure I get all the oil out of this. At least I hope I do. Okay, the cover though. Let's get back to this front cover. This front cover is going to be 10mm bolts all the way around. So, there's that. There should be 3 on this side. Now that one is done what they do sometimes. Okay, stuck. Dang it. Well, the other cover on the other one is perfect, so yeah, I can just use that cover. It shouldn't be a problem. Dang. Yeah. These are the ones. Plus, this cover's got a crack in it here. It's cracked here. So this one's kind of broken up, so I'm glad the other cover on the other one is actually in beautiful shape. That ain't gonna be. Might have to hammer one on there. At least some of them are coming out. That's actually a good sign. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Well, some of these wouldn't be so bad, but they're not in the best of condition here with rustiness. That one doesn't have one right. Darn it. That one's buggered. Darn. Okay, some of them are buggered. I'm going to have to get out my special stuff to get those out. So I got those bolts out. I just had to do the old tap the socket on them with the hammer, and it worked. There we go. Ooh, she's nasty. She is nasty under the cover. All right, let's see what we got here. Belt looks okay. A little bit of wiggle there. I'm guessing the last time they did a timing belt change, they never changed. Ooh, that's nasty. They just put a belt on it, it looks like, last time they did it. So, that's what it looks like. And I'll get you in there closer to see that.